Hey friends, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So you might have clicked this video because you wanted to learn on how to enable and disable your on-screen keyboard just like this one. So you might have encountered that your physical keyboard is not working or some of the keys of your keyboard is not working. So this video tutorial is for you. So now what you have to do is to click start and then go to your settings. Then after that, look for ease of access. So now you can see here on the left corner, just scroll down and look for keyboard. So after clicking the keyboard, you can actually toggle this one on and then it will show up. Or you can just turn it off, then it will be disabled. Or if ever it happened that some of your keys or some of the keys of your keyboard is still working, you can actually follow this instruction, which is to press the Windows logo key, then Control O. So let's try that one. Okay, so it worked. So how to disable? Just repeat the process. Just like what I'm doing. So it's now turned off or it's now disabled. So that's how easy it is to enable or disable your on-screen keyboard. So I hope this video helped. If you like this video, please give us your thumbs up. And if you find this video helpful for you, then hit that subscribe button and notification bell to be updated on our new upcoming videos. Thank you so much and see you on our next video tutorial.